Hi, welcome to RNY Learning Hub. Today we will cover data type conversion and access modifier. Or we can say data type conversion is typecasting. In typecasting we will cover implicit or explicit conversion. Widening casting, typecasting, or automatically conversion, or we can say narrowing, typecasting, and manually. Interviewer can use this word, this and this. Don't get confused. This is a similar kind of things. So let's jump into the practical. Okay. And we will cover default, public, private, protected, and final access modifier. Now jump into the practical. And guys, thanks for watching my previous video. If you have not seen it, then I am requesting you to please watch the previous videos first to understand this topic. I will mention previous videos link in this video description, so you can find easily. Okay. Now from the previous videos you will aware about the how to install a Java and how to set up in our local machine, and what is the class, what is the method, what is the constructor, and what is the variable, what is the data type, and we have covered all these things so far, and this is another important topic. Okay. As we discussed, we can achieve data typecasting in two ways. Implicit typecasting, or we can say automatic, or we can say widening, okay, or explicit typecasting, or we can say manually conversion. This is automatic conversion. Or narrowing typecasting. Okay. Now first implicit. As we know that we can store a small box to the to the big box easily. As you can see the example, oh sorry, bench. This is a big size box, this is a small size box. Okay, okay, big, this is small. Okay, so I can store this box to the into the this box easily. But if I'm going to store this box into this box, then I will face a problem. Okay, so this is a implicit typecasting, or this is a explicit typecasting. Okay, now we have a small data type, for suppose int variable 10. Okay, now if I want to store this data to the float variable int variable, I can store easily. Okay, this indicate that int data type it convert into the float. Okay, if I'm going to print, then we will get, one second, okay, we will get 10.0. Okay, as we know that float is a greater data type as compare of the integer data type, and we have discussed the size of the data in the previous video. Okay, now explicit data type, explicit. Okay, float variable 10.0, sorry 50. Okay, and now if I try to store float value into the integer this way, then I will get an error. You can see where float where, you can see the message, one second. Okay, cannot convert from float to the integer, as because float is the greater data as compared to the integer. So how to do that? I can convert like that. Okay, that indicate that I am converting float data into the integer. This is the explicit conversion. This is a narrowing type casting. This is a manual type casting. You can use this word, or this keyword. Meaning is similar. Okay, nothing is same. Okay, so simple is that. Why we are doing this? As because in any situation, whenever we work in the real project, we get some problem, some situation to do that. Okay, for suppose if I am getting a string value from my server, and I need to convert into other data, so I can do like that. Okay, now come into the access modifier. Before we jump into the access modifier, I want to introduce another topic. another topic. Okay, another topic is packaging. What is the package in Java? Package. Okay. Package is a collection of the similar kind of classes. Okay, similar kind of classes. Like our we if we want to store the movies in our drive, then we create a movies folder, and when we want to store a document type data, then we create a document folder, and we want to store image or like that. Okay, so we can create this kind of data type. Okay, okay. Now, so I am going to create, right click on that folder, or sorry, package, sorry, project, okay, or you can right click on that, or right click on package. Or package naming is very important, is start from the small character. Okay, YouTube data type, sorry, access modifier. Okay, access modifier. Data type, access modifier parent. Okay, okay. Now public is another is a data type, sorry, access modifier, sorry guys. Okay, is a access modifier, void, public void, public method. Okay, I am a public method, and I am and anybody can access me easily, or I am available for out of the class. Okay, private, okay. So this is a private method, and this is a protected method, and this is another default. default. Okay, default method. Okay, okay, now I'm shifting this on the top. Default public private protected default method variable is visible only within the package. Okay, we can say package private. Okay, public is visible to all. Okay, or we can say everywhere. Okay, and private is visible only within the class. Okay, and protected is visible only within the package or all subclasses. Okay, now so I am a default method. I can access me easily within the package. Okay, I am available for out of the class, but within the package. Okay, I am public, I am private. One second, I am private method, and I can access me easily within the class only. Okay, I am protected method. Anybody can access me easily out of the class, but within the package or my subclasses can access me easily. Okay, now I am going to create my class object. Class name reference variable variable, new keyword, and default constructor. This is a default constructor. So if the interviewer asks you how to create a class object, how to create the object of the class, okay, so this is a way of the creating a class object. Class, okay, class name, reference variable, variable name, new keyword help to create an object, or class name constructor, default constructor. This is a way to answer it. Okay, now with the help of reference variable, reference variable, I can access default, okay, default method or public method, private method, or protected method. Okay, see, I can use all the method within a class, as because all these are the property of this class, all of these the property, okay, the class property. So I can access all the method with the help of the reference variable. Okay, you can see all I can access, and I'll get a output. Okay, now access modifier child. Okay, if I'm going to access this way, I'm going to copy paste to save the time. Okay, now you can see that okay you can see that I can use default, as because default is defined under the package, public is available for all, but private, why I am not use the private, as because private can access within a class, is a private property of that class, I cannot use that. Okay, and the protected also use within a package, okay, you can see that. One second. Okay, but if I am going to use this, try to access this, access modifier example, okay, with another class, but out of the package, you can see this class is out of the package, with out of this package. Okay, I can access only public method. You can see the error, I am getting an error. The default method from the type access modifier is not visible. You can see the message. Okay, I can access only public. Public is available for all, out within a class, within a package, or out of the package. Okay, well, everywhere, but not out of the project. If I am going to, if I try to access in this project, I cannot. This is a different project, or this is a different project. Okay, now I am going to delete this. Not now. Okay. Okay, now I am inherit my parent class. For inheritance, we will learn inheritance in a detail in coming videos. Okay, so just keep patience. I will explain the inheritance in detail. For now, just try to understand what I am trying to explain you. Okay, now I can access private method. Okay, I try to access the private method with the help of child object. Okay, new access. Okay, obj dot protected private. Protected, not private, protected. Okay, protected. Okay, okay, but you can see I can access with the help of parent class reference variable. I can use all this with the help of child class object. Obj dot default, obj dot public, obj dot private. But I cannot access private method. Okay, as because this is a private of the class. Okay, but here which class I create out of the package. If I am going to access okay, now you can see only you can see now still I am getting an error. How to access the private protected method out of the package. Okay, out of the package with the help of this and obj new access modifier, obj dot protected. Now you can see that I am getting an error here, as because protected method can access within a package with the help of class reference variable, or we can access with the help of inheritance or with the help of child class. This is a child class, this is a parent. Now this is a parent class or this is a child class. So I can use parent protected method with the help of child class object, with the help of child class object. You can see that I am commenting all this as because we cannot run the class. Okay, now okay, this is I can understand this is very tricky concept, but try to understand, guys. I'm explaining again. This is my first parent class which I am declaring, which I created with an access modifier package. So default method can access within a class or within a package only. Public can access from everywhere, within a class, within a package, or out of the package. A private class access only within a class only. This is a private property of that class, of this class. Okay, protected method can access or within a package or with in under the child class. Okay, so we create a child class within a package with the same package, and we try to access all the method with the help of child object, so we can access easily, but we cannot access the private method. Okay, in the child. And you can see we can access protected method with the help of child. I am creating this class as a child, and now I am creating child object, and now I am access the protected method with the help of child object. This is a child object. Okay. Oh, now the another access modifier we have final keyword, final. So final, we can declare the final variable, final class. Okay, final int, final variable 100. Okay, that means if we are declaring the final variable or class, we must to initialize that. Okay, if I am not initialize this class, I am getting an error. You can see that. Okay, the blank final field, final variable may not have been initialized. Okay, that means if I'm try to initialize that, then I cannot initialize this final variable, but I can initialize like that, and I cannot change the value. I in public int variable. Okay, and if I try to change this, I can change easily. Okay, 1 second. Static. Okay, static. Okay. Now you can see that I can change this value. Why I am creating this static or static? Okay, I will explain in more detail static or non-static. For now, the static is because we cannot access non-static variable within a static method. So that's why I create as an static. Okay. Now I can change public variable value. This is a 10,000 or this is a 5,000. I can change this value, but I cannot change the value of the final variable. We declare as a 100 as a final data for this final variable. Hope you understand the concept of the final keyword. Okay, we can declare or we can initialize only once if we are declaring the final of any variable. Okay, we cannot change. If we are final void final method. Okay, so okay, final, and we cannot access final variable or final method out of the class or out of the package. Okay, this is a concept of the final, or this is a concept of the public, private, protected and default. Hope you guys understand that concept. If not, then watch again the video. If you have any question, any doubt after watch this video, you can drop me a comment in the comment section. So I try to reply of your doubt. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. If you like, then please hit the like button. If not, you please subscribe my channel to get an update video in timely, and comment your suggestions, your feedback, your doubt. Okay, thank you guys, thanks again for watching.